Welcome to Speak Tagalog by JUANITA Gutierrez. This book, Speak Tagalog by JUANITA Gutierrez, is now available at Amazon and all bookstores nationwide. And today I'm going to teach you several words that are very popular and conversational. The first word that you see, first two words, INIIBIG kita. INIIBIG kita. Do you know what this word means? It means I love you. INIIBIG kita. I love you. The next word is the same. Mahal kita. This also means I love you. Mahal kita. Mahal kita. That means I love you as well. This one, INIIBIG kita, is more formal. And this one is for a little bit informal. But it also is very meaningful. The next word is ayaw ko. That means I don't like. Ayaw ko. This means I don't like. Ayaw ko. The next word is gusto ko. This is a Spanish word, but it has been incorporated to the Filipino language. Gusto ko. Ko means I in Tagalog. Gusto ko, that means I like it. So, in review, INIIBIG kita. INIIBIG kita. That means I love you. Mahal kita. Mahal kita. That means I love you as well. Next one is ayaw ko. Ayaw ko. That means I don't like it. I don't want it. Gusto ko. Gusto ko. Gusto ko. That means I like it. So all this and more you will see in Speak Tagalog by JUANITA Gutierrez. Enjoy speaking Tagalog and gain more friends. Have a wonderful time speaking a foreign language for diplomacy and friendship.